Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see one of the best VPNs out there available for Android device. So it is the NordVPN, and there are many reasons for it to be the best one out there because it has around 5,400 different servers, and all these servers are available in 60 different countries, which is like a lot, and you get a plenty of options to choose from, and you can change as per your wish. If you want to switch to a different countries on a regular basis, then this one is quite good for you. And also you can connect up to 6 devices at one go using NordVPN, and that gives you a plenty of leverage while using laptop, your mobile device, and also your PC in one go. Now let's talk about the security wise and how it performs on the security parameters. So it comes with a feature of Meshnet, which basically allows you to connect any device remotely to this Meshnet and then access that device even in a restricted area. All you have to do is just turn on this Meshnet and link a device to it, and you will be able to access your devices. Though there are some options which are not available on the app, but they are available on NordVPN's app on the PC. So in the settings, you will be able to see this option of threat protection, which saves you from all the phishing attacks on you. And it also has this option of tab jacking protection, which saves you from spoofing attack and all the attacks on your device from an outsider who wants to steal your data. And this option of kill switch is quite impressive in NordVPN, which actually means that whenever you join the server on NordVPN, it basically deletes all your data on that particular server and all your traces on that particular server as soon as you disconnect from that server. So it acts as a savior for your data and your privacy. So this one feature is also quite good, and there are other features like it gives you alerts on your data being leaked to dark web, and it monitors the dark web for all sort of things to save you from all the attacks and possible hacks on your device. And pricing wise, it is also not that much, and you can get it for around $3.69 a month if you apply for a 2-year membership, and you also get 3 months of free if you apply for a 2-year plan. But if you just want to subscribe for a month, then it might cost you around $12, and which is also quite fine as compared to the services we are provided by NordVPN. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.